Hi dears, welcome to our online class. I am Sujata, going to teach you 9th standard English. Hope everybody is safe at home. Okay, this year for 9th standard we had two textbooks, Beehive and Moments. Moments is the supplementary reader and Beehive is our main literary textbook. So children, let us start our lesson. The fun they had. The fun they had. That is the first lesson from our textbook. And this lesson, the fun they had, is a science fiction. I think most of you had read some fictions. Which one you like? Which type of books do you like to read? Fiction or another short stories or poems? What type of books do you like to prefer? Here we are going to study a fiction, science fiction, the fun they had. In this book, it says about the technological advancement. The theme is education. You are all students, so you know the importance of education. Here we are going to study about education. Children, now you look at these two pictures. Look this. What can you see here? Listen it 1 minute. And another one picture also is here. See? Can you see any difference in these two pictures? Yeah, you are thinking something, I think. Okay, here from the first one, the first picture, some students sat together. Some children are sitting together and they are studying from there. And in the second one, what can you see? Only one student is there and she is sitting in a special room. She is studying in a special room. She is alone there. Why? That is the modern type of education. Now you are sitting in front of that TV set or the mobile phone and study online classes. So, this lesson says about how the children will study in future. The story we shall read is set in future. When books and schools as we now know them will perhaps not exist. Now you know that textbook, notes and everything. You are studying by using the textbook and notes and all. But what will happen to future? Can you imagine? Now how you are studying, that is the story set in future. Now you are experience. Can follow me? You are experience how the children from future is going to study. So here we can see two children, how they recognize as a school. Schooling is different types of schoolings are there. And we know that in olden times, our parents, our grandparents, they studied in Gurukula type of education. What is the difference between that Gurukula type of education and the system that we follow? In Gurukula system of education, the students will go to the Guru's house. They will stay there and they will do some work and they will study from there. That is Gurukula education. You can ask your parents or their grandparents, they know something about that. They will tell you something about Gurukula education. And you, till last year, you came to school and sat together with your friends and studied. Teachers were there, they helped you to study. But now what happened? Now you are sitting in your own home. You are sitting alone and you are studying from your home. That is different type of schooling. Which one do you prefer? Coming to school and study or sitting alone from your home? Here in our lesson we can see the two children, how they feel about school. They don't know what is school, but they heard something about school. So they are discussing something about the school and saying something about that. Shall we move on to the lesson? Okay, it is written by Isaac Asimov, the science fiction. Remember that this is a science fiction. It may happen, it will happen next century. So now you got the golden opportunity to understand the two types of education. Last year you studied in the school, from the school, and now you are going to study from your home. Okay, shall we start? Here in our lesson, two children are there. They are Margie and Tommy. Margie and Tommy. Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary. On the page headed 17th May 2157, she wrote, "Today, Tommy found a real book. It was a very old book. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when old stories were printed on paper." So here see that one day the children got a golden opportunity to see something. They saw something strange. What was it? A book. Can you say something about that? Whether you feel book as a strange thing? No, never, because you know that you are always using the book. You are studying from there. So here from our story, the children exclaimed, they astonished to see a book. They didn't know what is a book. They are studying by using the computer and the modern technology. So by seeing the book, they amazed. And Margie wrote in her diary, "Today, Tommy found a real book." By saying the real book, what does it imply? Because they never saw such books. They didn't know what is book. So that day only Tommy found a real book. It is happening in the year 2157. Remember that it will happen after 137 years. After 137 years, what will happen? Now you are experiencing now. Now itself you have the experience. Now you are sitting in front of TV or the computer or the mobile phone and you are studying. So the children, those who will get the chance, those who are living after 100 years, now you are experiencing. So Margie wrote that today Tommy found a real book. It was a very old book. Margie's grandfather once said them when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. Here the children couldn't imagine all the stories are printing on paper. They never see paper. They are using only the screen. And they thought that how all these can be written in a paper. They turned the pages which were yellow and crinkly. Crinkly means with a many folding. They are crinkly and it was awfully funny to read words that stood still instead of moving. For example, remember that if we look at the textbook or the notebook, the letters, the words, that will be there only, it won't move. But these children have the experience. What is their experience? They know the letters. From where they did know that? They know that the letters are always moving from their screen. So they couldn't imagine. They got it. It was very old book and it was crinkly also. "Gee," said Tommy, "what a waste. When you are through the book, you just throw it away. I guess our television screen must have had a million books on it and it's good for plenty more. I wouldn't throw it away." Children, remember here they think that this book is a worst. Why? After reading that, what will we do this? We will keep it aside because we have to study, we have to use it for something. But the children thought that the book means, the thing book is an utterly waste one. Why? After reading this, they will throw it away. But the telebook, e-book, they are studying from the television only. So that book will be there, always it will be there. they can store more and more books. So the children astonished how these people used these books. After using this, what they did, they will throw it away. So the children astonished. Same with mine, said Margie. She was 11 and hadn't seen as many telebooks as Tommy had. He was 13. Here two children are there. Who were they? They were Margie and Tommy. Margie, she is 11 years old and Tommy 13 years old. Both of them discussed a book, how they can use the book. After reading that, what will they do? And they will throw it outside. So here they prefer which one? They have the knowledge of using e-book only. So they thought that e-book is better than that original book, the real book. She said, where did you find it? Now Margie astonished. Tommy, from where did you get this thing? Actually, book means the thing written, everything is written there. They didn't know what is book. And they asked, Tommy, from where did you get it? Tommy told, I got it from my attic. Attic means what? Attic, the space just below the roof. Everybody's house, in olden houses, you can see near to the roof, some places will be there. What we will do, we will keep all our waste materials from our home, we will keep it there. Waste means that we are not using. Some old books, old dresses, old pots and everything, we will keep in our attic. So when Tommy went to the attic, he saw this one and he took it from there and he showed it to Margie. That is a book, and the grandparents studied by using this thing. What is it about? Margie was exclaimed. Then you got a book, and what is it about? That is about school. What is written there? The book is about school. By hearing that only, Margie became scornful. She became contemptuous. Why? She didn't like to go to school. Go to school means her own room only. She didn't like study. She never liked to be sit in the school. Why? Why do you like to come to school? Yeah, you like to enjoy with your friends. And do you like to study? If you didn't like to study also, you want to come to school because you can enjoy with your friends. So here, Margie hated school. By hearing that, in that book also it is written about school, she began to hate more and more about school. Everywhere that school only mentioned. I hate this school, she told. Children, have you understood? Here, in this lesson, it says about the two different types of schooling. Modern education and the old type of schooling. The children coming and sitting together in the school, and that another one is the child alone sits in a room. That is another type of schooling. So this is only the just first part of our story. I think everybody understood. Aren't you? Okay, once more I will summarize that. One day, this story is a science fiction. Fiction means imaginary story written by Isaac Asimov. He wrote that what may happen after 1057 or 37 years after, what may happen, that only now we are facing. Margie and Tommy, two children. One day, Tommy got a book and Margie wrote in her diary, today Tommy got a book, and that book is, he got it from the attic of his house, and he is saying that their grandparents, they studied by using books. Okay, I think everybody understood it. Shall we ask something? How old are Maggie and Tommy? Margie and Tommy, how old were they? Margie was 11 years old and Tommy 13 years. What did Margie write in her diary? She wrote something. What was it? Yeah, Margie wrote, Tommy found a real book. That you should mention real book. We will always say only book. But here, Tommy found a real book. Had Margie ever seen a book before? No. She never see a book. What things about the book did she find strange? We won't feel anything strange. A book means we are familiar with that. But Margie was not familiar. Why she never see such book? What things about the book did she find strange? Because it has yellow and wrinkled pages. What do you think a telebook? Now you are using paper only, paper book. What is telebook? In this age there is telebook also. Some of you are using that. What is it? That is the book on TV and other things that is moving. Letters will be moving from there. I think everybody can understand this. Aren't you? Okay.